Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to change your name on Facebook. So what you're going to do, you're going to open up the Facebook app. Okay, let me just close this one. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just click on my menu at the below right. Okay, now the next step, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead right here at the settings gear at the top right. I'm going to wait up until you see the account center or meta. Okay, so I'm going to click on it. And from there, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead right here to my profiles. Okay. And I'm gonna wait up, and I'm gonna just go ahead right here to the account and choose the account that you want to change the name. So I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, I'm gonna wait up for a few moments, and I'm gonna go ahead right here to the name. Okay, I'm gonna wait up as well, and as you can see right here, this is my first name and my last name. If you want to change it, just simply click on the first name and just type the name that you want, and you have up to the 60 days until you have the option to change your name again. So be careful with changing your name inside Facebook, because afterwards for 2 months you can't actually change your name. Up until this date you have to be careful, and you can't change your name. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.